32-bit versus 64-bit DAW and VST. Guys, between 32-bit and 64-bit DAW software variants, there is no difference at all in the look, processing, or the workflow. The only difference between these variants is that 32-bit DAWs are limited to using only maximum of 4 GB of RAM and in some case only 2 GB. But 64-bit DAWs can use more than 4 GB of RAM, which is beneficial for larger projects. So basically, if you have 8 GB of RAM in your computer and you are using 32-bit DAW, then your DAW have limited access to only 4 GB of RAM. 32-bit program have limited access to only up to 4 GB of RAM. But if you guys are using 64-bit DAW, then your DAW can access the full amount of RAM available inside your computer. Keep in mind, 64-bit processor plus 64-bit operating system plus 64-bit application software for full performance. Have a look. 64-bit processor plus 32-bit operating system plus 32-bit DAW software will have limited memory access to only 4 GB of RAM. 64-bit processor plus 64-bit operating system plus 32-bit DAW software will have limited memory access to only 4 GB of RAM. 64-bit processor plus 32-bit operating system plus 64-bit DAW software again will have limited memory access to only 4 GB of RAM. But 64-bit processor plus 64-bit operating system plus 64-bit DAW software will have full system memory access. Whatever quantity RAM is available inside your computer, more than 4 GB, that will be accessible, fully accessible. Okay, 32-bit VSTs versus 64-bit VSTs. Guys, 32-bit VSTs and 64-bit VSTs are made compatible for the DAW variants. They will not sound different or they will not look different in any way. Both of these VSTs are almost same. They are just made compatible for the DAW software so that DAW software won't utilize some extra CPU power for bridging VST plugins. As these plugins are cross-compatible but by using some additional CPU resources. When you use a 32-bit VST plugin in a 64-bit DAW or vice versa, this process is known as bridging. It takes some additional CPU power. So it's better to use 32-bit VST plugins with 32-bit DAW softwares and 64-bit VST plugin with 64-bit DAW software for power and performance. There is no difference between them other than the DAW compatibility.